And Moshe said unto Yah, Behold, when I come unto the children of Israel, and say unto them, the Yah of your fathers hath sent me unto you, and they shall say to me, What is his name? What shall I say unto them? And Yah said unto Moshe, I am that I am. And he said, Thus shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, I am hath sent me unto you. Now, family, let's open up the tools. Let me show you some game, family. It's a free game right here. This is free gems right here. And I ain't charging. It's free right here. Let's read verse 3:14 in our language. Hallelujah. Vayomer Elohim el Moshe, Ehyeh asher Ehyeh. Vayomer kol thomer lifnei Yisrael, Ehyeh shalachani aleichem. Praise Yah. The phrase Ehyeh asher Ehyeh is translated as I am that I am. Technically, Ehyeh asher Ehyeh should be translated technically as I will be that I will be. Ehyeh, this is in the cow stem. It is cow imperfect. It is an imperfect verb. It's in the first person, common, singular. I will be. In the Shoresh, which is the root, because remember, Hebrew words, most Hebrew words come from verbs, because our language is all about that action. The Shoresh is Ehyeh. He was. Ehyeh means he was. Ehyeh means I will be. Ehyeh, I will be. Asher. Asher is a pronoun, a relative pronoun, which means who, which, that. Ehyeh, I will be. Ehyeh, asher, Ehyeh. I will be that I will be. But the translation, I am that I am, it works as well, family. Praise Yah. I am have sent me unto you. I am right here, family, is right here. Ehyeh. Ehyeh. I will be. Right here. I will be. Yod Hey Waw Hey. The name of God.